How long you been coughing, madam?
3 weeks.
How long?
3
weeks, huh? So now you're healing the back neck. I'm checking now. Fine. But when I came to the back neck chakra, it's going. Back neck. It's going, okay? So you heal now. Let's heal and see what happens. Let's see. Still going. No, there's a cord there. There's a cord. Cord coming from a lady from your family, madam. There's a cord coming from a lady from your family. Think of a lady, madam. Cord coming to the back neck area from a lady from your family.
Okay.
Think of this lady. Thinking? Yes. Read for her now. Read for her now. Read for her. No, page number 7.
Page number 7.
Okay, gone. Now the cord is gone now. Putting him. Now the cord is gone. Now the cord is gone now. No more cord. Okay? Let's see how you feel. Now condition the chakra. More condition. Back neck chakra. Feel any irritation now, madam? You feel anything now? You'll be fine. No, that's it. You must go and check liver. Liver and tongue. That's it. Burn away the ovary system. Healing on becomes powerful, right? Raise away and burn away. Disintegrate cyst in mind, left ovary. For that, take forgiveness, Mr. Number 7. Give forgiveness to all the cancerous cells in my body. Burn away and blaze. Burn away.